Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today I will be reading poetry and prose from Danny Martin Gerard, author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. His work can be found at dannygs.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. Declare to be. Don't get down on yourself because it didn't work out. For someday you'll be glad it didn't. For it had to end for the new partner to arrive. Something already broken was never meant to be. So let go and embrace the new chapter and journey you declare to be. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you to think about 3 things you are grateful for right now. So if you're able, please close your eyes and think of those things right now. I am grateful for the beautiful morning. I am grateful for my coffee. And I'm very grateful to be able to read to you. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love. Thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.